Hey, it's Ben Surdy with PureClean Carpet Cleaning, and you're probably wondering what this machine is here. Well, I'm coming to you with another healthy home tip. Every week we're going to come out with a new tip. So we all know that indoor air quality is a big health concern, especially right now with the pandemic that's going on. But the big question is, what can we do about it? So today, and it's very specific to the offer that we're sending you in the email that you received, this is what we call our Pure Air 1000 machine. And this machine's whole purpose is to take your current indoor air quality and make it healthy again. In fact, with this machine, we can get a 97% improvement in your indoor air quality during our visit at your home by using this machine. Now, normally we charge $100 at your service appointment to set this machine up and let it run and filter out all the air in the cleanable spaces that we're doing. But with this month's special, we're going to be running this machine for free. So first what I'm going to do is explain what this machine is. So right here we have a HEPA filtration pre-filter, and what this is doing is it's pulling the air that's in your home and it's going to pre-filter it to start filtering out the larger particles that are floating around in your home. So if we open this up, what you're going to see is there's actually another filter behind it, and this, my friends, this is the filter that's going to do the heavy hitting to remove the harmful particulates that cause indoor air quality issues for people. So let's go ahead and button this thing back up. Now, what we do is, it would be easy for us to just say, hey, we get a 97% improvement. Well, at PureClean, what we do is we take a laser particle counter, which is what I'm holding in my hand, and we're actually able to take a reading from your home, and it's going to show us what your air quality reading is before the cleaning, and then we're also able to take a reading after. So what we do is we come and set this machine up, and what we'd be doing is our platinum level of cleaning, which, as you know, is a 12-step cleaning program we developed. It's not just clean for appearance and make your carpets look new, but to clean for health and make your home hygienically the healthiest home it can ever be. So we would be setting this machine up after we're done with the cleaning, or during the cleaning rather. And what we do is we turn this on. It'll get noisy in the camera for a second, but just to illustrate to you how this works. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. And what I'm going to do is, we've got the clean air coming out this portion of the machine. It's pulling the dirty air in here and pushing it out right there. Now, I've already taken a laser particle reading of this room that we're in. We're actually standing in our office. And I'll step out of frame for a second. But the reading that we got was 161,383. You're probably wondering, what the heck does that number mean? That means there's 161,383 particles per cubic square foot that are currently floating around in the air that we are breathing right now. After we turned on this machine, when I hold this laser particle reading here, in fact, we just took the reading, which is right here, we got a reading of 5,474. So we've accomplished a 97% improvement in the indoor air quality. So make sure that you take a look at the offer this month. We're going to send out our Healthy Home Expert. He's going to conduct the full highest level of service we perform, which is our platinum cleaning. And then again, we're going to add this on to your cleaning service for no charge, which is normally a $100 value. So this is a tremendous time to call PureClean and get your appointment scheduled. So I hope you enjoyed what you learned today, and we look forward to serving you soon.